Okay, as you can see, things are starting to get sorted out now. I'm just going to take you from the top of the more important group of trunks here and zoom in so that you can see the brushwork as I go down. Or not as I go down, as the tree trunks go down. Fading out a little bit, going down in chroma towards the bottom, and more intense, direct, and a little more detailed, a little more information adjacent in the area, adjacent to the focal area, and up into the sky, because the sky is, you know, it's a blurrier subject and it's in the background, so I felt that these trees could actually handle a little more detail in them. Anyway, as you can see, there are a lot of spots on the trees that aren't decided on yet. That's it for now. See you later.